Hello viewers. So the next previous topic was the bill chapter, and this chapter will gonna be grade 5 mathematics subject, and the chapter will be here, the very important one, which is, you can see on the screen, decimal. Okay, and this is very important chapter. In this chapter mainly four topics will be there mainly, and from that help of four topics will be cover up the syllabus. Okay, I just recap the things first. In this one, addition will be there of decimal, subtraction will be there, and divide, and last one is multiply. Based on this one, simple questions will be there, and based on that, word problem will be there. Okay, word problems. Shall we start with the first topic, which is addition part? Okay, so now start with the addition one. Now, addition of decimals. Okay, now take the very easy question. 2.215 and 3.1. Okay, we have two numbers here, 2.215 and 3.1. We have to add this two in decimal number. So first take the first number. So just write down like this, 21. Okay, now we have to write this number also below to add it, correct? So first rule will be what? No need to put the number first. Just below the decimal you have to put the decimal. See, just below the decimal put the decimal. Okay, now according to this number, before decimal 3 is there, so keep it 3 here. After decimal 1 is there, so keep 1 here. Okay, here in the first number 3 digits are there. In this one, second number only 1 digit, so you can add 0 to make it like total should be filled up. Okay, now put the addition symbol. Now start addition. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Decimal 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So what is the addition total? 51315. Now let's take the question number B. 51215. Let's take this one only. Okay, and 1.213. Assume we have a question. So write the first number first, 5.215. Okay, what I told, no need to put the number first. Below the decimal first. Now take the second number. Okay, before decimal 1 is there, so keep 1. After decimal 213, so put like this way, 213. Got it? Got the pattern? Now put addition symbol. Now start adding. 8, 2, 4, decimal 6. Got it? I think you are getting the idea now. Now assume we have 2, 1 and 1.2. Assume 1.2 only. So write the first number, 12.21. Okay, now decimal below 1 decimal. Now after decimal what it is? 2. Before decimal what it is? 1. Don't write 1 here. Okay, it is wrong. Start filling the first place, then second place, and this side also first place and second place. Check the arrow. See, arrow I'm putting. Check the arrows, everybody. First place, second place, then after decimal this is first place and this is second place. Start filling the first place, second, third, fourth, like that. Okay, now we have to fill the space also, because no need to keep it vacant. So put 0 to keep it fill. Okay, now 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 2, 4. Decimal 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 0, 1. That's all. That is the answer. So I think you got the pattern of how to add two decimal numbers, correct? Shall we proceed to subtraction part? Okay, and if you want to recap the things, you can just back the video and you can recap. Okay, and if you want to copy also, you can just pause the video and you can copy it. Fine. So let's start with the subtraction now. Now come to question number A. 7214 from 8.1. Assume. See, in the addition in the addition, the question will be like this: two numbers will be there, and will be in the middle part, and two numbers will be kept like this way, correct? But in the subtraction, from will be there. So like think like that way. From stands for what? Subtraction. So from means what? Every time this number will be, this side number will be bigger one, and this side number is a smaller. Okay, every time, just keep in mind, from stands for what? This side, whatever number will be there, that is a big number, and this side will be the small one. So while subtracting, can you subtract 2 minus 3? No, na, because 2 is smaller, 3 is bigger. Every time 3 will be up, 3 minus 2 is possible, correct? So same way, that why from is here kept. What it means? This is bigger one, this is smaller one. So 8.1 will come on above part. Okay, same pattern follow like a same for the addition you did. Okay, first you have to put the decimal below the decimal. Got it? Now start putting. Before decimal part, what it is? 7. Now after decimal part, 214. So put like this: 214. Okay, subtraction symbol now. Now what I told, if the space is vacant, put zeros. Got it? Now just you have to take the borrow process now. So from here I will take the borrow, it will become 10, and from here 10, it become 9. Got it? 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. This becomes 0, correct? From here to here again, borrow, it becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8, decimal. This becomes 7. 7 minus 7, 0. So what is the answer? 0.886. Okay. Question number B. 5.215 from 61255. Assume we have a question like this. Okay, now which is bigger one? What I told, it will be the big, it will be the small. So keep the number first, big one every time. Okay, 612. Now put decimal. Okay, before decimal 5 is there, after decimal 215 is there. So keep like this way. Now subtract. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 0, decimal 1. Got it? Question number C. Okay, 2101, assume, from 12110. Okay, so again after from number, that will come first. So 121 decimal 10. Again put decimal below decimal. Now after decimal, what it is? 01. Before decimal 12. Don't keep like this way every time. Don't write this way. 2 1. What I told, from the back hand side you have to put 1 2. This side also 0 1. Got it? Now fill the place, subtraction symbol. Now from here to here I will give the borrow. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. Now from here to here again 10. 10 minus 0. Sorry, it already is 0. Sorry, my mistake. It becomes 0 now. So 0 minus 0, it will be 0 only. 1 minus 1 will be 0 only. 2 minus 2 will be 0 only. 1 minus 0 will be 1. So what is the final answer? 100.09. Got it? I think you got this question now. Everybody, if you want to recap the things, you can recap the things. Okay, no need to just just wait for the next questions. You can just pause the video and you can watch the rest of the parts. And like in this subtraction, shall we take more some questions now, because like it is little but different from the addition part. Now assume we have 17515 from 20. Only 20 is there. Assume this kind of question will come. Now after from part, what it will, this will be the bigger, this will be smaller. So okay, only put 20. Okay, see, if you write 1, or if you write 1.0, if you write 1.00, if you write 1.0000, anytime, all are same. So here from 20, so 20 in this one, no decimal is there, so don't confuse. See, just check the first number. After decimal, how many digits are there? 3. So after decimal, just put 3 zeros to make the area filled. Just below decimal put 5 1 5, and here 7 and 1. Now just subtract simply. what I told you, you got it. It was 17515 from 20. In the 20 number, no decimal was there. I just kept it directly. Either we write 20 or 20.000. All are same thing. Okay, both are same thing. Why I wrote 3 zeros here after decimal? Because in the first number, whatever we have to subtract after decimal, here is 3 digits, so that was I pulled three zeros here. Got it? Now borrow process start. 10 10 10, and then the last will be 10. 10 minus 5 will be 5. It become 9. So 9 minus 1 will be 8. Again it become 9, and 9 minus 5 will be 4. Decimal, it become 9. 9 minus 7 will be 2, and this 1 minus 1 0. So what is answer? 2.485. I believe you got the thing now. Okay, shall we take one more and then we'll switch to the multiplication one. Now assume we have 1.2 from 2, only 2, simple one. What I told, this is bigger, this is smaller, so take 2. Okay, check this one, first number after decimal only one digit, so put decimal and take only 1 0. Now below decimal put 2 and 1. Got it? Now here to here, 10 minus 2 will be 8. Decimal, this is 1 minus 1 is 0. That's all. Got it now? I believe you got the pattern now. Okay, so like let's switch to the multiplication chapter now. I mean multiplication topic, sorry, my mistake. So multiplication topic will be, it will be not that much of hard. Okay, just some things we have to just keep in mind. So let's start with the multiplication of decimals. Okay, first question, 2.5 by 2. Assume we have a question, so let's take like this. Say 2.5, write down. By 2 stands for what? You have to multiply with 2. 2.5 by 2, we have a question, so write 2.5 by 2 stands for what? We have to multiply by 2. Okay, now start simply multiplying first. 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 the carry, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, now multiplication part is done. Now we have to just put the decimal. So to check the first number, after decimal how many digits are there? Only 1. Start counting from the back hand side. 1 digit, here is only 1, so count 1 and put decimal. You got it what I said? Let's take some other example, you will get the idea about. Okay, let's take the question number B. Assume we have this one by 2.1. Now again write the number into 2.1. Okay, first simply multiply. 1 2 1, put cross, 2 4 2. Now add it, 1 4 5 2. Now check first number after decimal how many digit? 2. Here after decimal how many digit? 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Start counting from back. 1 2 3. Now put decimal. So what is the final answer? 2.541. Got it? Whatever count of number is there after decimal, just count from back hand side, 1 2 like 3 like that, and put the decimal. That's all. 5.25 by 1.2. Write a number, 5.25 into 1.2. Directly multiply. Okay, you will get the idea about 5 10 5 to 5. Now add it. Okay, now after decimal how many? 2 digits, and here after decimal 1 digit, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Again first digit, second digit, third digit, decimal will come here, so 6.300 is the final answer. You got the pattern now? Okay, now we will switch to the division. Whatever is the count of decimal is having, we are like after the decimal part, whatever numbers are there, just count from back end side and just keep the decimal. That's all. And the last part is here, the division one. So write division and we'll just conclude the video. Divide. Okay, first question, assume we have 2.2 by 2. Okay, so keep like this and keep. Now what you will apply? 1 time 2 ones are 2, cancel. See here decimal started. Whenever in the in this bracket decimal will start, put the decimal in the quotient. Whenever it will start, put the decimal in the quotient. Now this 2 will come down. Now again what you will apply? One time 2 all cross. What is the answer? 1.1. You will get it, don't worry. I will solve more questions. See now 5.25 is there by 5. Okay, 1 time 5 cross. Now see, decimal started here, put decimal. Now 2 will come down. See, now 2 is there, 5 is there. We can't divide. We need this 5 also. What we will do? Add 0 to take 5. Now it is 25. So 5 5s are 25. Cross. What is the answer? 1.05. Question number C. 63.02 divided by 2. Okay. So write like this way. Let's 2 minutes. Give me and just write below. Yeah, now it is okay. Now 2 3s are 6. Cross. 3 will come down. Now 1 time only 2, 1 will come down. Now we need 0, but 0 is after decimal. Again our decimal started, put decimal. Now 0 will come down. See, whenever the decimal will start here, put in the quotient. Now 5, 2 5s are 10, cancel, and the last 2 will come down. Again 2 1s are 2, cancel. That's all. You got the pattern now? And the last I will solve again. So I'll 5 this one 10. Okay, divide by 5. Okay, 5 to 5 decimal 10. Okay, 1 time 5, cancel. Now 2 will come down. We can't able to divide. We want that 5 also. So add 0, 5 will come down. If you want second number on the same place, you have to add 0. After adding 0, you can take the second number. So 0 added. Now 5 is 25. So I write 25, all cancel. Now see, decimal started here, put decimal. Now 1 will come down. Again see, 1 came, but we can't able to divide. Now we need the 0 also at the same place. What we will add? Again 0. So last 0 will come. 2 times 10, all cancel. So what is the answer? 105.02. So I believe you got the idea of decimal chapter also. So like keep a practice of it, all addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. And like in this chapter, based on the all 4 operators, whatever we did already, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, based on that, word problem will be there. Might be addition will come in the word problem, might be subtraction will come in the word problem, and similar like that, division and multiplication. So just read the word problem and just get the answer. Okay, and I think you got the rule how to add and all to after decimal numbers. So let's conclude this video and we will meet in the next chapter, whatever we will do. So let's have a nice day and let's thank you.